Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by naming a single clear goal and why it matters. This anchors every following instruction. Once done, state the exact output format and length you expect, because models follow strict form cues. Make sure to provide immediate context, key facts, constraints, and one representative example. You should also pick a role for the AI if helpful, such as editor or tutor, to shape responses. These first steps prevent vague output and speed up useful iterations. Now move into layered instructions that walk the model through the task. You give step-by-step actions and show one good example plus one bad example so the model internalizes quality cues. Once that's set, define constraints like style, vocabulary, and token or time limits to avoid rambling answers. You should also request rationale for surprising choices, because asking for reasoning reveals mistakes early. Finally, ask for a succinct summary so you can quickly judge result fitness. Finish by validating outputs and iterating until the result meets your goal. You should request targeted revisions, point to exact lines or features to change, because precise feedback produces faster improvement. Once complete, test edge cases and ask the AI to flag uncertain points or low confidence areas. If results go wrong, run a focused debug prompt asking the model to explain discrepancies stepwise. This often reveals missing context or conflicting constraints, so you can fix them quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.